Hello everyone, my name is Veena Roy and today is the second day of learning English, and specifically I have chosen only idioms. I have completed 30 days challenge of reading a book and just accumulating different words and sharing with you all. So now onwards I will be sharing 2 idioms. Yesterday I shared 5 idioms like it's a piece of cake, hit the hay, hit the sack, right? So I understood one thing, that instead of sharing 5 idioms per day, 2 idioms are more than enough. And one simple tip I would like to share, that is be a vulnerable person while learning this particular language, because I have realized one thing, that when I write scripts and then prepare and then speak, what happens, I hesitate, I fumble. Even I remember in one of my exams when I was in college, I just mug up everything, and while writing I forgot everything and I just started crying there and then. And I promised myself that I'm not going to mug up anything. So I believe that when you become a vulnerable person, when you just share whatever is there on your mind and keep on speaking, you will feel that there are different mistakes you are making every single day, but try to embrace all the mistakes. And what happens, when you accept that yes, I'm making mistakes, and it will help you to correct your mistakes, you can later rectify. But if you just mug up everything and then you speak, you will eventually forget. So this is the natural way of learning English. So today I will be sharing 2 idioms with you. Hope you will practice every single day. My name is Veena Roy. I am an English communication coach and a certified IELTS trainer. I will be helping you to learn different idioms and help you to learn this particular language, English. Also, while teaching you, even I am learning, because I consider myself a student. Because students, when they learn, they never hesitate to ask questions. So if you have any questions, do write me in the comment section and give me feedback as well as. So today, 2 idioms which I would like to share, that is cut to the chase and beat around the bush. Now what happens, these 2 idioms are literally, little bit of confusion is there. It's like my opinion. Cut to the chase means talk to the point. Whatever you want to share, just be to the point. Avoid the unnecessary stuffs. Right? Beating around the bush means you are just speaking those unnecessary stuffs. You are not to the point. So I will help you to make one sentence. For instance, don't beat around the bush. That means you are just speaking those unnecessary stuffs. You are not to the point. So whenever you see your friend or anyone is speaking, not to the point, only speaking those unwanted stuffs which you don't want to hear, you just want to hear the main things which is really important, you can just say that, don't beat around the bush, I just don't want to hear this. Cut to the chase, that means come to the point. So these 2 idioms are literally, you can use at that particular point when somebody is confusing you, not to the point, or beating around the bush means talking unnecessary stuffs. So at that particular point, you can simply say that, don't beat around the bush. If you want to say something, say clearly right now, straightforward. Fine. So hope these 2 idioms you are going to incorporate in your conversation. And if you like this particular video, do write me, comment me, and yes, subscribe to my channel. I'll be always there to help you out. Take care. This is Veena Roy signing off, always ready to help.